I am at my back house where my cousin Abel fixes phones and laptops. Cousin, what motivated you to fix phones and laptops?
Actually, what motivated me to fix phones and laptops is that at my house there's so many dirty gadgets. So one day I was experimenting fixing this other phone, and at the end of the day I managed to fix it, and right now I have a bunch of clients waiting for me to fix their phones, and actually it's now a business from the backyard to the front row. So that's what motivated me, the bunch of gadgets at home to something alive at the streets.
What are you working on right now?
Oh, right now I'm actually doing this Proline PC laptop. It has a dead charge, so I'm actually refixing it, so in a while it will be on its track. I can actually show you. This is the charge, so I will uninstall this one and install a new one, and it will be functioning very well soon.
Okay, people, can you please come and support my cousin? He's the best in town.
I'm the best.